How are you? Hope you all are good. Friends, I received so many comments from my subscriber that they are saying they want to know about the UPS, but unfortunately, they don't understand the Hindi language. And after receiving so many comments, I decided to make a video in English language. First of all, I want to say my English is not too good, but I will try to explain each and every part in English language. But if I make any mistake, then please forgive me. So this is a 2 kVA 96 volt UPS. This is from Numeric, and we have similar model from Hitachi and Console and Emerson and so on. So this is the front panel. This is for user interface. This button is to on the inverter. This button is used to select the parameters what we want output, what output we want, what frequency we want, either we want bypass enabled or not, and so on. This is used to turn off the inverter. And this UPS is also known as double card UPS because this UPS have two card. One is on this side, on right side, and one is on left side. And if we start from left side, you can see on the left side of this UPS we have a card. This card is the combination of two parts. This card is divided into two cards. One is charger section. This is a charger section which is used to charge the battery, and one is booster section. A booster section is used to which boost up the battery voltage into high DC voltage. Like we give 96 volt here. 96 volt we get from 8 batteries, and we give 96 volt here, and this booster section switch the MOSFET switched, and which further boost up the 96 volt to 350 volt positive and 350 volt negative. This capacitor store positive side voltage 350, and this capacitor store negative 350 volt. This switch, this is the fry transformer, which have primary and secondary side. Secondary side give us a pulsating AC volt, which put on these diodes. This is a H bridge combination, H bridge, which get pulsating AC volt and converted into a DC volt. This stored DC voltage is give to inverter section. So this is clear. This is a charger section. This is a booster section, and these are the settings. You get whatever the ampere you want. If you have 26 ampere battery, then you can put the charging current to 2 ampere. The first is for 1 ampere, the second setting is for 2 ampere, and right now this is on third is for 4 ampere, and at the end you will get 6 ampere. So I suggest you put these jumpers on the position of 3. Here you get 4 ampere. That is enough. Okay, these are the cooling fan. These are the cooling fan to which you use to cool down the while MOSFET switch, and it generate heat. So these these heat sinks are used to eliminate the heat. So these fan flow, and air is out from this UPS. Okay, and on this side, on right side of the UPS, this is a combination of two parts. This card is having inverter section and input PLC section. Inverter section, you know very well inverter invert the DC voltage into AC volt. We put the DC volt plus minus 350 volt. We got here. I put on the inverter, and invert it, and we get output voltage. And this is the input PLC section, power factor correction. While UPS is running on input, while we'll give it to a main supply, input supply, the UPS run on the input PLC section. This section will help to run the UPS inverter on mains mode, and on battery mode UPS get voltage from the MOSFETs. But at the input side, when we give input, we get the booster will the inverter get voltage from here. So this is a control card this control card is you can say suitable for 1 kVA, 2 kVA, and 3 kVA model. You can use in any UPS. You can use it for 1 kVA. You can use it for 2 kVA and 3 kVA, 36 volt, 72 volt, and 96 volt. This card has auto settings. It adjusts as according to battery voltage. So this is a OVCD card, uh, over voltage current device. It protect the UPS from input voltage. Either if the input voltage is very low, then it will put the UPS on battery mode. If the input voltage is very high, then this will also disconnect the input voltage and put the UPS on battery mode. And on the front panel, we get messages like input voltage is low, that's why UPS is put it on battery mode. If the voltage is high, then we also get the message here, input voltage too much high. So if I suggest you, don't bypass it, if this card get faulty, then I advise you either repair it. But if in any condition this card is not repairable, then I suggest to replace it with another one or use another type of protection, because it is necessary. And also I suggest to this is a cooling fan. If this is a 4-inch 12 volt fan, if this fan get faulty or jammed, then I will suggest to you replace it with same. Don't use a small fan. Okay, so that's all right now what I have in my mind, I have tell you. But in my further video, in my next video, I will explain how these component work, how this coil work, how this MOSFET, sorry, these IGBTs are work. In my next video I will tell you the whole processing of this UPO. Until then, please comments and tell me how is this video. And yes, that's all. Have a good day. Thank you.